Everybody, today I received the HOLLUDLE Ergonomic office chair with 3D lumbar support and 3D adjustable armrests. And I just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and kind of a setup process, kind of show you exactly how this desk chair works and why I like it. So here's kind of the start of my video, and follow along as I take it apart. All right, guys, so now I've got everything out of the box. It looks like great quality already. Comes with these little gloves you can wear, as well as like different tools you'll need. But yeah, so far it's unboxed, so I'll go ahead and put it together and see how long that takes me. All right, guys, I'm back with the HOLLUDLE office chair here. I have it all set up here now, as you can see. This chair is fantastic. So this is my old office chair here. It's pretty worn down. I got this as a replacement. Some of the things I really like about it is the seat itself is very, very comfortable. It's made out of very good quality fabric and cushion. These are all 3D like armrests, headrests, backrests and everything. And you can actually adjust how stiff you want this back to be and how loose you want it to be by twisting this knob here. The headrest itself is really nice because it's adjustable. These are all adjustable, so you can go side to side. You can go up and down, forward and back, as you can see there. Underneath, what's really great is it's all metal here on the legs and everything in the base. So it's a really good quality. You have a different lever here that you can use to go up and down. I believe it's, I'll have to put some weight on it. There we go. Usually it's easier if you're sitting down, but if you press this down, you can see it goes up and down and everything. And then if you tilt the chair back, you can actually lock it into place with the different, how far back you want it to go and everything. But yeah, that's the chair. Again, it's very, very great quality. This is what I use every day now for my home office. Highly recommend it. The wheels on it are very good quality. These are, they roll easily, as you can see. The setup process for this was very easy too. It took me probably 30 to 45 minutes. So definitely recommend it. For, the price that it is and everything, it's very good quality. You have some very nice like mesh and different cushioning here and just different armrests and headrests. So hopefully this review video helps anyone who's looking for a good office chair like this.